Hey diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share my latest happy mail from DIY Moon Shop. I'm so excited to get into this. Let's do it. Alright guys, you know if you subscribe to DIY Moon Shop's YouTube channel that Roanna and Reggie take a lot of care in packing their canvases, so I'm actually going to cut to a point where I can talk to you without it being a crackling mess. All right, so this is typically how my orders from DIY Moon Shop come. They are very, very lovingly packed, and I think presentation says a lot. I'm always really excited to get one of these in the mail. Now, because when I try to open this, I'm not gonna be able to talk to you, I'm gonna cut again so that we can see what's in the package. So I'm actually gonna show you two of the canvases that I ordered today, and then I'm gonna save one for a little bit later because I've got a lot going on here. Now, I actually ordered these canvases back in late June. These took, it's now early/mid-October, so these took a good 3 months to get to me. You guys, DIY Moon Shop is experiencing some long wait times right now, and it's A, because of COVID, because a lot of factories are experiencing delays, including theirs, and B, because of all the support you guys have shown them, and C, because they're a small business and there's not unlimited staff to pack and all the things. So I do think one thing that DIY Moon Shop could do, possibly, to just alleviate some of those issues is just to kind of keep especially new customers informed of the status and wait time for their orders. So if you could log in and see where in the processing queue your order stands at the moment, I think that might alleviate some of those feelings of like I ordered the canvases 2 months ago, I don't know where they are, am I gonna get them? All of us who've ordered from DIY Moon Shop know that the canvases always come and that they're very reliable, but if you're new and you're used to ordering from Allie when you're kind of never sure if you're gonna get what you ordered, that can be a little scary. So that might be one suggestion that I have for them. But you know, all those things take manpower and it's expensive, and I know, it's logistics, okay? So let me grab out the drills that I actually want to show you today, or the drills for the canvases I want to show you. And then, like I said, I'm gonna save one for a little bit later. Oh, there's a Prezi in here. This is so exciting. DIY Moon Shop always adds so many special touches to their canvases. All right, so in my kits labeled Tiny Worlds of Wonder, which is super nice, I actually have a gazillion things in here. I have enough wax to do pedicures for an entire small country. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 green boats, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drill pens and a pair of tweezers. This is awesome. If it wasn't COVID time, I could have a diamond painting party, and that would be the most fun thing I can imagine. That might be happening at some point in the future. All right, we have a gift. I love a gift. Nothing says thank you like a gift. This is so, and it's beautifully packaged gift. That is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little coin purse. That's so awesome. That's really, really pretty. And it's leather. Gorgeous. Thank you very much, you guys. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. And what do we have in here? This is so awesome. It's like Christmas. With all the wrapping paper, it really was like Christmas. It's so exciting. I love it. Oh, how cute is that? It's a drill pen, you guys, with a little wiggly flower on top. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Thanks, DIY Moon Shop. That is really, really adorable. It's got a little cap, and it has their shop name on it. Those are awesome gifts. I really appreciate it. I love it. All right. Now, I know what we all want to see is the canvases, right? So let's do it. While I'm getting into this, I have a special favor to ask of all of you. So many of you have reached out to me lately with encouragement and just kind words, and I want to thank you so much for those. I really have been needing them lately, and so that really has made my whole day. But if you're a person who watches the channel often and really enjoys it, would you do me a favor and share the channel with one other person you think might enjoy it? It's always fun to have the channel grow and expand, and I'm coming up on 10,000 subscribers now, and so I'm really excited about that. I'd really appreciate it. All right, the canvas on the outside is the one I want to save for later, so let me pull that out. First, I want to tell you about a canvas you've already seen and why I love DIY Moon Shop so much. So you guys might remember that I've actually already done this canvas and completed it. I showed it on the channel, and what I did not realize when I showed it on the channel was that the drills that I'd received in my kit had some colors that actually weren't, I don't know if they were the wrong dye lot or if the beads didn't match the symbols correctly, but I thought it was what the canvas was supposed to look like, and so I wasn't totally happy with the rendering, and I showed it on the channel and then some fixes to it, and then a couple of you sent me some photos of your finishes of this canvas, and clearly there was a problem with it. So I reached out to DIY Moon Shop and I just said, hey, I can't remember exactly what I said, to be honest. I think I honestly felt kind of bad about showing it without contacting them, but I honestly didn't realize there was a problem with it until I saw it from some other people. And so, because I'm never a person who likes to just ask for a bunch of free stuff, I think my channel's monetized, and so I don't like to ask for free stuff. I went ahead and reordered the canvas because I really wanted to see what the charting looked like without any errors on it. And so Rowana said, hold up, we were gonna replace it for you. And she actually replaced the canvas for me at no charge, which for me, you guys, that is the consistent experience that I've had with DIY Moon Shop's customer service. They have always been responsive. They've always been on the ball, and I really appreciate that. So I want to show you the recharted face, or not the recharted face, the correctly charted face for this one. It's the exact same canvas, but I'm going to redo the face and I'll show you the result on that so that you can get a good idea of what the canvas was supposed to look like. So that was the 50 by 64 round. I know it's going to turn out amazingly because I've already done it one time. So I'm excited about that. I just wanted to show you guys that and let you know how well DIY Moon Shop took care of that, which I really appreciated. So let's get into the canvas that I've been looking forward to showing you for drills and chills. I'm so excited. This canvas has been on my wish list for a long time, and I'm so excited to finally get it. This is called Nouveau Folk. It's a tongue twister. This is called Nouveau Folk Witch by Medusa the Dollmaker. I've got a ton of glare on my top covers today. Let's see if pulling back the top cover helps at all. So this is one of Medusa the Dollmaker's like amazing looking Art Nouveau slash kind of steampunk images. I just love her artwork. It is so incredibly awesome to me, and I have really been looking forward to doing this canvas for drills and chills. So I'm thrilled that it arrived in time for me to do that if I want to. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to have enough time now to get it done, so I may actually hang on to it for next year, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So she is so gorgeous. She's got her book of spells. She has got her mug of, you know, for me it's coffee, but who knows? It's some kind of witch's brew. It could be a love potion. It could be something else. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's look at the bottom half. And then I'll show you some drills. I always order my DIY Moon Shop canvases in rounds only because they're a little less expensive and I want to do more of them, and so I tend to order the rounds. So here's our bottom half. Some of these canvases with really, really muted colors are a little harder to show you on camera, I must admit. This is going to be so beautiful. So we've got the bottom of her skirt down here. There we go. Can you guys see any of that? No, of course I'll get some pictures with the whole canvas too, so you can kind of see what's going on there. It's going to be so awesome. I'm so excited about this one. So excited about this one. I have my eye on a whole bunch of these Art Nouveau Medusa the Dollmaker canvases. Sophia really wants me to do the gamer one for her. So that might have to be on my list, even though that's not one I would do for myself. You guys know you'd do anything for your kids, especially a diamond painting. See if I can do a little better with my cover sheet there. All right. Now, these poured glue canvases are very forgiving. I'm not fussing with the cover sheet because if I don't, something will happen. Really, it's only so that I can show you the canvas better without so much weird glare on it. Okay. Whether I'm successful or not, I don't know. I try. It's challenging. All right, I'm so impressed by how beautifully charted her face is with no drills on it at all. And it's not a large face. Faces are really hard to render in diamond paintings. And that is really impressive to me. That's looking amazing. Okay, I'm gonna dump out some drills. It's gonna be noisy, so I might use magic. Here's my legend. This is a 50 by 70. Like I said, it's a round. We've got some baggies and labels. So nice. So I can work out of baggies on this one if I want to. That's low commitment, and I like it. All right, lots of muted colors, which fits the aesthetic very well, of course. We've got a lot of 779, that's brown, a lot of 317 gray, and a lot of 814 burgundy. That's gonna be nice. Some purple brown, 3740. Some 838, I'm not seeing 310. So, awesome. A lot of really muted colors. Let's see where some of them go. What can I do about this glare situation? Maybe if I turn my overhead lights off. Let's try that. Oh yeah, that helps the glare. It may not help the quality of my light, but it helps the glare. Okay, so I want you guys to be able to see stuff, you know? You gotta be able to see stuff. All right, so let me look at her skin tones real quick. That looks like the majority of it there. Let me flip the lights on so you can see colors. So pinks, peaches, some tans, a little of that in the shadows. This is not an overwhelming portion of the face. Nice. Nice colors there. Okay, good. And then I want to look at her hair, because I've got to know. She's a red-headed witch. This is going to be amazing. I'll pull those out real fast. All right, the reason this is taking me so long is because this canvas has so much confetti. I'm so excited about it. If you like really detailed canvases with a lot of confetti, I think you're gonna love this one. So here are some of our hair colors. Golds and our reds. Now, there are about like 8 or 10 symbols in the hair probably, so I think it's gonna be really detailed. A lot of symbols in the face too, a lot more than I pulled out. So that's gonna be a ton of fun. You guys, I'm so excited about this one. I say it on every canvas, but how am I gonna wait to start it? I wanna start all of them and do them right now. Of course, in the description below, I will put a link to DIY Moon Shop where you can find this canvas and Sleeps with Butterflies, the other one I showed you a little earlier. And then I will put a link to Medusa the Dollmaker's website and to Margaret Morales' website, the artist for Sleeps with Butterflies. I know you guys will want to check out those artist websites. They are phenomenally talented and deserve every bit of our support. Huge thanks to DIY Moon Shop for beautifully packaged canvases today, beautiful artwork, amazing artist collaborations, and for the incredible customer service that I experienced just recently shopping in their store. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this canvas today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.